So if you have this grid, and every time you try to open a file, you get the grid, and you find that not to your liking, what you can do is come up here where it says Photoshop, and then click on Settings and go over to General. And then right here it says Reset Preferences on Quit. So if you have a lot of preferences, you might want to do this, but if you want to stop that grid from opening up every time, click Reset Preferences on Quit. You get this thing, are you sure you want to reset preferences? When quitting Photoshop, you do OK, and then OK, and then just come up and quit Photoshop. And now when you open up Photoshop, you can see my research there. I do New File, and there's no grid. All right, there you have it.